Belgian super cow. Belgian scientists and farmers had a vision to breed native cattle with shorthorn cattle, resulting in a remarkable outcome. The Belgian super cow. These cows have an average muscle yield of around 20% more on average than regular cattle. However, these hybrids face many health complications and have calves born with severe birth defects. Glowing cats. Scientists have created cats that glow in the dark by introducing the gene for the fluorescent protein of jellyfish into these feline creatures. They also made the cats immune to AIDS by injecting a gene resistant to the immunodeficiency virus. This experiment holds potential for developing HIV treatments and breeding pets resistant to various diseases.